As we continue to explore space, a growing threat looms above us: space debris. Let's discuss the impact of space junk on future space missions and explore potential solutions to this critical problem. Space debris, or space junk, consists of defunct satellites, spent rocket stages, and fragments from collisions. There are currently millions of pieces of debris orbiting Earth, traveling at speeds up to 28,000 kilometers per hour. At these speeds, even a small piece of debris can cause catastrophic damage to functioning satellites, spacecraft, and the International Space Station. The 2009 collision between an inactive Russian satellite and an operational US satellite created over 2,000 trackable fragments. Space debris poses a significant risk to astronauts. During spacewalks, they are vulnerable to even tiny pieces of debris that can puncture their suits or damage their equipment. The growing amount of debris increases the risk of a chain reaction known as the Kessler Syndrome. In this scenario, collisions generate more debris, leading to further collisions and potentially rendering certain orbits unusable. To mitigate these risks, space agencies and organizations track space debris using radar and telescopes. However, tracking alone is not enough. Active measures are needed to reduce the amount of debris. Several solutions are being developed to address space debris. These include deploying nets and harpoons to capture and remove debris, using lasers to nudge debris into lower orbits where it will burn up, and designing satellites that can deorbit themselves at the end of their missions. Future satellite designs aim to minimize debris creation. This includes building satellites with shorter lifespans using materials that burn up upon re-entry and ensuring that satellites can be deorbited safely. Addressing the problem of space debris is crucial for the future of space exploration. By developing and implementing effective solutions, we can ensure that space remains a safe and sustainable frontier for generations to come. Thanks for watching! For more insights into space exploration and the challenges we face, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Stay curious and keep exploring.